Hi, I'm Melissa Sylvie. Will present the result of my research with the title "The Determinant of Sharia in Insurance Demand," a focus on demographic factors, saving motives, and financial literacy cases from Indonesia. I come from Hayam Buruk University Perbana Surabaya, Indonesia. Program of Bachelor of Management and Accounting has received national recognition in the form of a accreditation. Next, I will present the result of my research, the determinant of Sharia insurance demand, a focus on demographic factors, saving motives, and financial literacy. Cases from Indonesia. Indonesia is the country with the largest Muslim population in the world, based on report from the Royal Islamic Strategic Studies Center. The Muslim, there are 231.06 million Indonesia who are Muslim. That number is equivalent to 18.6% on the total population of Indonesia. The method of wealth management in Islamic is called Islamic wealth management. Islamic wealth management is wealth management that is managed in Islamic manner, which include wealth creation, wealth protection, wealth accumulation, wealth purification, and wealth distribution. From several Islamic wealth management methods, there are methods used to accumulate some wealth in long-term life by investing in Sharia product, such as buying Sharia insurance. Based on this data, it shows that Sharia insurance growth, Sharia insurance industry has increased every year. This can be seen from the increase in the number of gross contribution, claims, investment, and assets. The Sharia insurance industry has experienced growth, but is still not matched by the number of Sharia insurance users. Still low background is this research. Still a low level of awareness of the importance of insurance from the Indonesian people to purchase Sharia insurance protection of property. Objective this research, the first to examine several factors that influence a person to apply to Sharia insurance, and second, whether people who have a high income level will want to buy Sharia insurance product to protect themselves and their assets. This theoretical framework and hypothesis. I have four hypotheses. The first hypothesis is demographic factors, income, have a positive effect on the demand of Sharia insurance. Second hypothesis, demographic factor and age have a positive effect on the demand of Sharia insurance. Hypothesis 3, the saving motive has positive effect on the demand for Sharia insurance. And hypothesis 4, Islamic financial literacy has a positive effect on the demand for Sharia insurance. Sharia insurance requires insurance demand is the willingness and ability of individuals to use insurance product. It can be concluded that the demand for Sharia insurance in the willing of desire on individuals to buy Sharia insurance product with the aim of getting self and property protection as well as investing in preparing to the future. The concept of demand in Islam assesses that not all goods and services can be consumed or used, but must pay attention to the halal and haram, as the word of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala in Al-Maidah. Demographic factor, this means income. A person needs income in the total amount of income received by a person as remuneration for the work. According to the Islamic perspective, someone who wants to try with all his might in earning a living will be given an appreciation or reward in the form of income or income. Demographic factor is individual who buy Sharia insurance early on will get self-protection from risk earlier, and premium paid by younger individuals will also be cheaper. In contrast to individuals who buy Sharia insurance at adulthood, the older the individual, the higher the risk, and the individual must pay the higher premium. This is accordance with the word of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala in An-Nisa. The next variable is saving motive. The motive for saving in an individual's motive for saving with the aim of preparing for the future. Islamic recommend to Muslim to save with the aim to preparing their future, as the word of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Sharia financial literacy, the mean Islamic is a religion that attention to its people in various ways, including obliging a Muslim, both male and female, to study. The next research method, sample classification. The first, the population used this study are individuals who have purchased Sharia insurance. The second classification as well, the sample is this study are individuals who have purchased Sharia life insurance and at the purchase decision maker in Gresik, Surabaya, and Sidoarjo, Indonesia areas. And the third classification, at least 24 years old and have a minimum income of 4 million rupiahs. The technique used in sampling in on probability sampling, in addition to using purposive sampling. This study also used snowball sampling. Collect data. This study is primary data with questionnaire distribute directly to respondent and distribute electronically with Google Form with criteria that are to the research objective. And analysis tools. They study in the analysis of partial least square structural equation model PLSM with the help to the Warp PLS version 6 program. Next, result of model analysis and discussion, and demographic factors, income toward demand for Sharia insurance. Based on the result of testing the first hypothesis, it's explain that demographic factors have a significant positive effect on the demand for Sharia insurance. That is, the higher the income earned by the individual, the higher the individual demand for Sharia insurance. Individuals who have a high level of income usually have more money to buy other needs other than basic needs. In addition, individuals who have large income are involved in responsible financial management behavior, such as setting aside their income to save or invest. The goal of individuals is to save or invest to protect themselves and their assets from this uncertainty to life in the future by buying Sharia insurance products. Sharia insurance products themselves provide a means to invest that and also have life insurance by Islamic law takaful. Based on the characteristic of the respondent, the majority of respondents work as private employee. Some private companies sometimes do not guarantee the self-protection of their employee. So individuals who work as private companies will seek self-protection from the risk and exist by buying Sharia insurance. Demographic factor age of demand for Sharia insurance show that demographic factor age have no significant positive effect on the demand for Sharia insurance. It's the mean no different with the age of for demand for Sharia insurance. This means that individual age difference do not affect the demand for Sharia insurance. Therefore, the level of individual age does not affect the demand for Sharia insurance. Demographic factor income towards demand for Sharia insurance. Based on the result of testing the first hypothesis, it's explained that demographic factors income have a significant positive effect on the demand for Sharia insurance. That is, the higher the income by the individual, the higher the individual demand for Sharia insurance. Individuals who have a high level of income usually have more money to buy other needs other than basic needs. In addition, individuals who have large income are involved in responsible financial management behavior, such as setting aside their income to save or invest. The goal of individuals is to save or invest to protect themselves and their assets from the uncertainty of life in the future by buying Sharia insurance product. Sharia insurance products themselves provide the means to invest and can also have life insurance by Islamic law. Based on the characteristic of respondent, the majority of respondents work as private employee. Some private companies sometimes do not guarantee the self-protection of their employee. So, individuals who work as private companies will seek self-protection from the risk that exists by buying Sharia insurance. Demographic factor age on demand for Sharia insurance, based on the result of testing the second hypothesis, show that demographic factors age have no significant positive effect on the demand for Sharia insurance. This means that individual age differences do not affect the demand for Sharia insurance. Therefore, the level of individual age does not affect the demand for Sharia insurance. Demographic factors have no significant positive effect. This can be possible because the age grouping of respondents is too short, namely 3 years, just 3 years, it's 24 years to 26 years is too short range. So that does not show a significant difference. Motive for saving on demand for Sharia insurance, based on the result of testing, the third hypothesis is it shows that saving motive has a significant positive effect on the demand for Sharia insurance. This means that the higher the individuals motive for buying Islamic insurance to prepare for the future, the higher the individual's demand for Islamic insurance. Individuals who have a higher motive for buying Sharia insurance mean that the individual must plan their future well. Furthermore, by planning for the future, he will have the desire to invest and protect himself by requesting Sharia insurance. The religion of Islamic encourages its people to save, as stated in the hadith which explain the Prophet Muhammad advising Muslims to save to prepare for tomorrow, which means save some of your wealth for the good of your future, because it is much better for you. The demand of Islamic insurance can also, because its individual have the thought that buying Islamic insurance can help anticipate the demand of Islamic insurance can also become individuals have the thought that buying Islamic insurance can help anticipate major events that will occur in the individual life cycle, such as childbirth, education, and death. This is to the research has been done. The respondents strongly agree with the demand of Sharia insurance, which is influenced by the life cycle motive. It's mean. Then the bequest motive, inheritance motive. There is individual by Sharia insurance to leave an inheritance to the family to financially support the family left behind when the individual has died. Based on the research that has been done, show the respondents agree with the demand for Sharia insurance, which is influenced by the request motive. The last motive in the wealth accumulation motive, where individuals buy Sharia insurance as a form of saving and investment and want to increase their wealth and contained in the takaful link. The takaful link is the means of investing and can also have life insurance by Islamic law. The result of this study indicate that respondents agree the demand for Sharia insurance can also be influenced by the wealth accumulation motive. The saving motive has a significant motive effect on the decision to buy insurance. The next variable, Islamic financial literacy on demand for Sharia insurance, show that Islamic financial literacy has no significant positive effect on demand of Islamic insurance. That means that the higher the Islamic financial literacy owned by the individual, the better, but not significant to the demand of Sharia insurance. However, the view from the significant value by 10%, it shows that financial literacy has a significant positive effect on the demand for Sharia insurance. This means that the higher the Islamic financial literacy owned by individual, the better, the higher the individual demand for the Sharia insurance. Conclusion, limitation, and suggestion. The result of the test that they have carried out include: the first, demographic factor, income, have a significant positive effect on the demand for Sharia insurance. This means that the higher the individual's income, the higher the individual demand for Sharia insurance. Second, demographic factor is have no significant positive effect on the demand for Sharia insurance. This means that individual its differences do not affect the demand for Sharia insurance. The third, saving motive has a significant positive effect on the demand for Sharia insurance. This means that the higher the individual motive for buying Sharia insurance to prepare for the future, the higher the individual's demand for Sharia insurance. The last conclusion, Islamic financial literacy has a non-significant positive effect on the demand for Sharia insurance.